to do. He starts up in a neighbor's driveway, goes the whole way across our cul-de-sac, and down across our driveway on this little tiny bike. And there he goes. If my car isn't there, he usually goes the whole way into the garage. All right, Bubby, good job. Say hi, Briella. Let me see you run. Let me see how fast you can run. Good job, Briella. Do it again, Bubby. And the dog, of course, is very protective. She knows that we're outside of our boundaries, I guess. Nico, stop. Let me see your mouth. Let me see your mouth. Let me see your mouth. Wait, come here. Let me see your tongue. Yeah, it's all green from all that Halloween candy, huh? Go ahead. Getting out of his way or he will plow me over. What, Sissy? I see you, little girl. Just a minute. Okay, ready? Good job, Brayden. Okay, we're done. Oh, look at you, Briella. You have your heffalump and your baby. What? Briella has her heffalump and her baby. Are you guys having fun? What? Are you having fun? Okay, you can go again. What? You can go again. What do you have, Briella? Heffalump. What else do you have? How many babies do you have? How many babies do you have? One, two. Can you say hi? Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mom. You having fun? Oh, yeah. Let me see that green tongue. Let me see your tongue. What were you eating, Missy?
I ate snack.
You ate a snack? What was your snack? You ate candy. I know. Goodness sakes, be quiet. Come on. There you go. Nico. Alright, enough of that. Say bye-bye. Briella, look at Mommy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.